Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -2.77% compared to yesterday's value of 25,841.61. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has decreased by -4.31% compared to yesterday's value of 1,617.42. The price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by -3.20% compared to yesterday's value of 212.4.
Latest news.
DeFi Education Fund challenges lawsuits over patent troll allegations. The DeFi Education Fund has filed a petition to defend the crypto industry's use of open-source software against claims of patent infringement. The advocacy group took action after Connecticut-based True Return Systems sued Compound Protocol and MakerDAO for alleged patent infringement in October 2022. True Return holds a patent for a process that brings off-chain data on-chain using oracles, but the DeFi Education Fund argues that the patent should never have been granted as it wasn't a new invention. Amanda Tumanelli, the DeFi Education Fund's chief legal officer, said that you don't see a lot of patents in crypto because people want to contribute to the growing open-source development community. SEC Chair Gensler stays firm on crypto criticism ahead of Senate testimony. Gary Gensler, chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, remains critical of the cryptocurrency industry despite recent setbacks in court. The agency is facing legal battles with the industry, including Ripple's recent court victory and the SEC's failed attempt to disrupt Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF. Gensler warns of potential non-compliance with securities laws and argues that most intermediaries in the crypto market must comply with securities laws. However, he notes that he will not be able to comment on any active, ongoing litigation during an SEC oversight hearing and will not discuss high-profile cases against Coinbase and Binance. Gensler plans to discuss recent enforcement actions and rule proposals on custody and exchange definitions that could affect crypto firms. Crypto assets face fourth consecutive week of outflows as XRP defies trend. Cryptocurrency assets experienced a fourth straight week of outflows, with a total of 49.3 million, bringing the four-week total to 249 million. Bitcoin was the most impacted asset, with 68.9 million in outflows, partially offset by 15.2 million in short Bitcoin inflows and 0.7 million in XRP inflows. CoinShares cited regulatory and financial market insecurity as the main drivers for the continued outflows. Solana recorded 1.1 million in outflows, breaking its 9-week inflow streak. Ether, trailing far behind Bitcoin, experienced outflows of 4.8 million last week. CoinShares labeled Ether as the least loved digital asset amongst ETP, exchange-traded product, investors this year, with a total of 1.8 million in year-to-date outflows. Germany, Canada, and the United States led the outflows, while Brazil registered a modest 0.1 million in inflows. Expert analysts predict Bitcoin's slump could continue, impacting the overall outflows. Crypto market volumes hit multi-year lows in September amid price drops. Crypto market trading volumes have reached their lowest levels in years, leading to a price drop for top assets, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. While lower interest rates and approval of spot crypto ETFs in the US could revive these volumes, the trading environment may stay subdued for the time being. Centralized exchange average daily volumes declined by 16% to 8.4 billion in August and plummeted 7%, while weekly trading volumes are at their lowest level since late 2019. The decrease in market liquidity is attributed to interest rate hikes by central banks over the past 18 months, causing the most substantial impact on the digital asset market. A spot Bitcoin or Ether ETF could also contribute to a faster recovery, decoupling crypto markets from the broader macro picture. ApeCoin plummets 42% in 30 days as NFT market slows down. ApeCoin, an Ethereum-based token associated with the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection, has experienced a significant decline, reaching an all-time low. The token has fallen 7% in the last 24 hours and a staggering 40% over the past month, matching a slowdown in the NFT market compared to its peak performance in 2001 and 2002. The Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection has also suffered, with its floor price dipping just 2%. The decline in ApeCoin's value contrasts sharply with its previous high of $26.70 shortly after its launch in March 2022. ApeCoin owners can participate in the project's direction through regular votes via the ApeCoin DAO. Recent proposals have drawn mixed opinions from the community, with support for funding an ape-centric documentary growing. US CFTC Commissioner advocates for centralized financial fraud database to combat crime. Christy Goldsmith Romero, a commissioner of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has proposed the creation of a federal registry for past financial fraud convictions and civil fines. The registry would be a searchable, centralized database of financial misconduct, making it easier for the public to protect themselves against fraudulent individuals and businesses. This idea was suggested by Goldsmith Romero during a conference while serving as the watchdog of a key young financial crisis bailout program. She has also mentioned the significance of the idea in the context of the crypto space, where fraud is widespread and information is disjointed. The proposed registry would require finding a single agency to host the database and securing initial funding for the project. Entire network liquidates 44.8 million in an hour. BTC accounts for 39.4 million. CoinLast data reveals that the cryptocurrency network liquidated a total of 44.8 million in the past hour, with BTC accounting for the majority of the liquidation with 38.14 million, while ETH liquidation stood at 2.14 million. These liquidations represent a significant amount of market activity and impact prices and investor sentiment in the cryptocurrency space. Hackers steal $6.1 in NFTs after phishing attack on Vitalik Buterin's X account. Hackers gained control of Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin's X account and stole over $691,000 in assets, with 553 of that amount in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, according to blockchain analyst Zach XBT. The attackers posted a malicious phishing link on Buterin's account, which was later deleted. It remains unclear if Buterin was the victim of a SIM swap attack and it's possible an insider was paid off. This incident is the latest in a series of hacks and scams in the crypto industry, highlighting the need for heightened security measures. Last month, Terra Blockchain's official website was hacked, with the extent of the theft still unknown. FTX estate explores FTX 2.0, engaging with 5家 bidders for potential relaunch. Fortune magazine reports that the FTX estate is in talks with over 75 bidders to consider relaunching the failed crypto exchange. The process includes considering acquisition, merger, recapitalization, or other transactions to revive FTX.com and/or FTX US exchanges. Blockchain technology firm Figure and venture capital firm Tribe Capital have been mentioned as potentially interested parties. The development of FTX's possible relaunch comes amidst one of the most closely watched white-collar criminal cases, with FTX founder and ex-CEO Sam Bankman-Fried awaiting trial. The FTT token of FTX has jumped nearly 17% on news of FTX 2.0's potential launch. Glassnode, 83.7% of short-term BTC holders in unrealized losses. Crypto transaction volumes at historic lows. Glassnode reports historic low on-chain and off-chain transaction volumes in cryptocurrency market. Short-term Bitcoin holders experience unrealized losses, while USDT's market share increases. USDC supply drops, while USDT supply increases. Justin Sun Mulls acquiring FTX tokens and assets to mitigate sell-off impact. Justin Sun, founder of Tron, has reportedly considered acquiring the tokens and assets held by FTX to reduce their impact on the crypto community. Sun reportedly issued a statement urging the crypto community to unite and bolster the ecosystem. It remains unclear whether Sun will make an official offer for FTX tokens and assets. Luno restricts some UK clients from investing in crypto ahead of new regulations. Luno exchange to temporarily halt UK customers from investing in crypto assets. Luno, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, will temporarily halt some UK customers from investing in crypto assets from October 6, 2 days before the UK Financial Conduct Authority's (FCA) new crypto promotion rules take effect. The FCA's rules classify cryptocurrencies as restricted mass market investments, requiring advertisements and promotions to include clear warnings and prohibit incentives. Affected Luno customers will be unable to buy or trade cryptocurrencies, but they will still be able to sell and withdraw funds. PayPal to pause crypto purchases in response to UK's new rules. PayPal, a leading online payment platform, has announced that it will pause crypto purchases in response to the UK's new crypto promotion rules. The company will provide a 3-month extension to comply with the regulations. The FCA's new rules come into effect on October 17, and PayPal will continue to offer its cryptocurrency services to UK customers until the company complies with the regulations. Luno, PayPal and other exchanges are taking measures to ensure customers are aware of the new rules and to comply with them. GBTC approaches won't against BTC price with discount narrowest since Buterin, despite Bitcoin at lows. Grayscale's Bitcoin investment vehicle, GBTC, has cut its discount to Bitcoin price to 7%, its narrowest gap since December 2021, according to data from CoinGlass. GBTC retraced nearly 2 years of losses following news that BlackRock plans to file a Bitcoin spot price-based ETF. However, GBTC's narrowing discount has not offset Bitcoin's recent price decline. The price of Bitcoin is struggling to regain traction at under $25,500, with September historically being a weak month that sees losses of up to 10%. Projections suggest late November as a potential bull run launch date for Bitcoin price.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.